Hi everyone, I'm Carlotta and I come from Italy. I have taken 2 Cambridge English Qualifications, the B2 First and the C1 Advanced. The aspect that I most enjoyed about the exams is the possibility to learn English language in a very specific and complete way. I believe the benefits of taking multiple Cambridge English Qualifications are the improvements that you can see while preparing for the exams and the personal growth in the knowledge of language. Having taken 2 Cambridge English Qualifications have helped me a lot in my career after high school. To begin with, I've had an advantage in the access of the university that I now attend. I didn't need to do the compulsory English test as I already had the certificate of advanced English. In addition, thanks to my Cambridge qualifications, I won a competition organized by my city's council and I had the opportunity to live in Australia for 2 months in summer. I'm currently participating to the Erasmus call to go studying abroad. Thanks to my Cambridge English qualifications, I also do private English lessons to young learners. The qualifications have helped me a lot to gain my self-confidence and independence. In the future, I am willing to do the C2 proficiency exam. Thanks for listening.